Hey everyone, I hope you are doing really well. Welcome back to my channel where we make learning English fun and easy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's start. What are you doing now? I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Are you busy? Yes, I am doing some work. Yes, I am doing some work. Can I sit here? Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. What's your plan today? I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Do you like coffee or tea? I like tea. I like tea. How was your day? It was good, thank you. It was good, thank you. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I just a little tired. Yes, I just a little tired. What's the matter? Nothing serious. Nothing serious. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. Have you eaten? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Of course. What do you need? What are you thinking about? I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What's your job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. What's your hobby? I love reading books. I love reading books. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. Do you know him? Yes, he is my friend. Yes, he is my friend. Are you ready to go? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Where did you go yesterday? I went to my uncle's house. I went to my uncle's house. What did you eat for lunch? I had rice and chicken. I had rice and chicken. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. What time is the meeting? At 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. Do you want some water? Yes, please. Yes, please. Can we talk later? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Who is calling? It's your friend. It's your friend. Do you believe in luck? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. Are you coming with us? Yes, wait for me. Yes, wait for me. What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my phone. Can I borrow your pen? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Is this your bag? No, it's not mine. No, it's not mine. What do you mean? I mean you should try again. I mean you should try again. Did you like the movie? Yes, it was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. Who's your best friend? My best friend is Rafi. My best friend is Rafi. Do you want to join us? Yes, I did love to. Yes, I did love to. How do you go to school? I go by rickshaw. I go by rickshaw. How do you feel now? I feel much better. I feel much better. What's your favorite food? I love biryani. I love biryani. Where is the nearest shop? Just around the corner. Just around the corner. Can you drive? No, I can't. No, I can't. Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. Do you like reading? Yes, I read every day. Yes, I read every day. What's your mobile number? It's private. It's private. When is your birthday? It's in August. It's in August. Do you know the way? Yes, follow me. Yes, follow me. Do you work here? Yes, I work in this office. Yes, I work in this office.